Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Binary buffers are a fundamental concept in programming, allowing you to work with binary data efficiently. In Python, binary buffers are often used when dealing with binary files, network communication, and various low-level operations. In this tutorial, we will explore what binary buffers are, how to create and manipulate them in Python, and provide code examples to illustrate these concepts. A binary buffer is a memory space that stores binary data. It's a contiguous block of memory used to read, write, and manipulate binary data. In Python, binary buffers are usually represented as bytes or byte arrays. You can think of a binary buffer as a fixed-sized container for binary data. The bytes type in Python is immutable, meaning you cannot change its contents once created. You can create a bytes object using the b prefix before a string of bytes. The byte array type, on the other hand, is mutable. You can modify its contents after creation. You can convert other data types like strings or integers to binary buffers using appropriate encoding and decoding methods. To read from or write to binary buffers, you can use various methods and techniques. Binary buffers are crucial for various tasks, including file I/O, reading and writing binary files, such as images, audio, or binary configuration files. Network communication, sending and receiving binary data over sockets or other network protocols. Data serialization, storing structured data as binary for efficient storage and transmission, using libraries like struct or pickle. Binary buffers are essential when working with binary data in Python. They allow you to efficiently read, write, and manipulate binary data, making them a fundamental tool for tasks like file I/O, network communication, and data serialization. Understanding how to create, read, and write binary buffers will help you handle binary data effectively in your Python projects. ChatGPT